People using these three websites will replace you in the future. If you go to vmake.ai, you can simply upload your product photos and create your e-commerce website photo shoot with AI models. If you go to cliplama.com, you can enter your text and create viral short videos. This is how I'm posting hundreds of videos every day. Now go to meshi.ai. Simply type your text, for example, a green Hulkbuster Iron Man suit, and you can create 3D models in seconds. 3 secret website creators are hiding from you. If you go to vsub.io, simply choose the type of video you want to make, and you can generate a ton of video content without actually doing anything. If you go to this link, you can upload your Google Docs and turn them into high-quality presentations in seconds. If you go to upscale.org, you can upload a blurry image and instantly turn it into high quality. Don't pay for AI tools and start doing this instead. Instead of paying $30 to $120 every month for Midjourney, you can simply go to this link. Here, you can generate unlimited images using text for free. See, I just created images of the Incredible Hulk in seconds. Instead of paying $20 for ChatGPT, you can simply go here. You'll get access to unlimited ChatGPT for completely free. You just have to deal with the ads above and below your chats. Instead of paying $99 every month for AI voices, you can simply go to this link. Select the unlimited voices and use it to create a ton of content. These 3 websites can make you money on autopilot. The first one is AppyPie. You can go here and simply paste your website link. Make the edits you want. Now you have turned this website into a mobile app. Super easy to publish on app stores with one click. The second one is Opus Pro. Find a long video on YouTube and paste the link here. This AI will find viral moments from the video and edit it for you. People are making thousands of dollars just by making these clips. The third website is Deepfiction AI. Simply enter your prompt here. Select the type of story. Now you have an entire fiction written for you, which you can turn into videos using tools like Luma Labs and Steve AI in minutes. 3 websites to handle design for your business. If you go to magicstudio.com, you get access to all these AI tools. From Magic Erase that can vanish anything you select, to Background Remover and AI Editor that edits using text. Now go to this link, you get a design software like Canva for completely free. You can see it has all the features you need. Now go to motion.zogino.com. Here you can learn to create smooth motion graphics like these. Simply click here to quickly go from a beginner to a pro. This secret AI website can turn simple text like this into money-making faceless videos like this.
Transform your day before it even begins with these 5 life-changing morning habits.
You simply go to ai.nvideo.io. Now you can enter your prompt here. Let's ask it to create a short video on 5 early morning habits, and our video is ready within seconds.
Transform your day before it even begins with these 5 life-changing morning habits. First, rise with the sun. Waking up an hour earlier can reduce depression by 23%. Second, move your body. A quick jog or yoga stretch can kickstart your energy.
The best part is that you can edit the video by talking to it. You can ask it to edit a scene, change the script, change the music, edit the pitch and volume, or basically anything you want. 3 websites. That'll turn you into an internet wizard. If you go to this link, you can create infinite zoom images like this one right here. Simply enter your prompt. Adjust the length of the video, and that's it. Now if you go to tineye.com, upload an image. I'll use an image of my pet dog Mochi. Now you can find all the places on the internet where that image exists. Wow, is Mochi famous or something? The last one is imgtogo.com. Here you'll find all these AI image editing tools. You don't have to worry if you're ugly anymore, thanks to AI.